SaaS Outage English, precise phrases for enterprise updates. Welcome. In this micro lesson, we'll master writing crystal-clear outage updates that reduce confusion and build trust. Start with the impact, not the cause. Customers need to know what's broken for them right now. Keep language specific, brief, and calm so readers can act quickly without panic. Use consistent time and status markers to make progress easy to track at a glance. By the end, you'll be able to write updates that inform executives, engineers, and end users, fast, accurate, and respectful of their time. Let's make stressful moments feel manageable and professional. Lead with a crisp headline. We're experiencing X affecting Y% of customers. This instantly answers, does this hit me? Specify regions, products, and user actions. For example, checkout failures in US East for web and iOS, affecting payments and refunds. Avoid vague phrases like some issues, a few users, or temporarily impacted. Vague language creates support tickets and speculation. Concrete scope helps teams prioritize, reassures unaffected customers, and signals control. Think, what can a busy stakeholder repeat in one sentence to their team without misinterpretation? Use UTC and absolute times like 1420 coordinated universal time. Never, now, or recently. Those age poorly and confuse global audiences. Set a cadence. Promise a clear update interval, such as every 30 minutes or at key milestones, so people know when to check back. Timestamp every post for traceability and audits. It also shows momentum. Example, initial post 1420, coordinated universal time. Next update by 1450, coordinated universal time. Consistent time anchors reduce anxiety, help incident command, and let customers align their own communications and SLAs without guessing. Use a simple, consistent lifecycle. Identify right-pointing arrow. Mitigate right-pointing arrow. Monitor right-pointing arrow resolved. This tells everyone exactly where you are. Write in active voice. We are mitigating API latency by increasing capacity, not work is being done. Replace hedging with data. Avoid might, possibly, or seems. Instead, state measurable facts. Error rate at 18%, median latency 1.9s, impact limited to EU West. Precise verbs and numbers show ownership and competence and help customers plan their own mitigations with confidence. Share known facts only, no guesses. Early updates should describe the blast radius, which services, regions, and actions are affected, and how severely. Save root cause for the post-incident report when evidence is complete. Call out risks clearly, even if good news. No data loss observed. Payments captured, receipts delayed, or backlog processing, expect delayed notifications. This balances transparency with caution, prevents rumors, and respects regulated environments where premature claims can create legal or compliance issues. State plainly if users need to act, no action required, or please retry after 10 minutes. If a workaround exists, give steps and limits. Use API v1 for refunds. Bulk refunds may fail. Max 200 requests per minute. Avoid hand-waving. Precision saves time. Provide support paths. How to open a ticket, where to check the status page, and how this aligns to the SLA. Example, if you process payroll today, contact support with subject, urgent, payroll for prioritization. Clear guidance turns frustration into progress. Lead with empathy tied to outcomes. We know checkout failures block revenue and customer trust. Take ownership. This is on us. Here's what we're doing. Pair that with the next milestone. Roll back in progress. Next update 1520 Coordinated Universal Time. Thank users sincerely without cliches. Avoid thanks for your understanding. Prefer thanks for bearing with us while we restore stability. Calm, human language reduces escalations, helps executives brief their teams, and shows you respect the real business impact behind every minute of downtime. Impact. Since 10:05 Coordinated Universal Time, logins fail in EU for web and Android. About 32% of attempts return 401/500 thirds. Action. We're rolling back Build 542 and expanding capacity in EU West 1. Error rate trending down from 32% right, pointing arrow 14%. Next update by 10:40 Coordinated Universal Time on the status page. Mix and match, but keep the structure. Impact right pointing arrow, action right pointing arrow next. Short, measurable, and time-anchored messages help customers decide quickly. Wait, retry, or escalate. Keep it consistent across every post until resolved.